Welcome to SparkBot, a new innovative Telegram-based interactive bot which brings the power of DeFi right into your Telegram app without you ever having to interact with third-party wallets or opening multiple mobile apps or browsers on your computer to make transactions in DeFi. This is an introduction and overview of SparkBot's features and capabilities. A series of how-to videos is available for the features discussed in this video. SparkBot is a product of the Volt Inu crypto project whose aim is mass adoption of crypto. Amongst Volt Inu's already well-established utilities, SparkBot is yet another tool you can use to buy or sell crypto right from within the bot. To get started in Telegram, send a message to @spark_volt_bot. Here you can see the swap provider you would like to use. You can choose between Volt Inu's very own first-ever deflationary decentralized exchange VoltaChange or Uniswap. The choice is yours. Next you can select the network you would like to use. At the time of this video the options are the Ethereum or BSC blockchain network. The next two buttons are for either buying or selling crypto. The Spark Transfer button is a unique feature which allows you to transfer the proceeds of all your transactions into an external wallet such as a ledger, for example. Essentially you can choose the destination wallet to automatically transfer your crypto tokens. The next button is for favorite tokens. This feature of SparkBot allows you to save your most frequently traded tokens for future access. All you need to do is import the contract address. We'll cover this in a later video. The View Token Info button allows you to view detailed information about a specific contract such as the ticker symbol, token name, holder count, total supply, and much more. The Withdrawal button allows you to withdraw your funds. By default, SparkBot will dynamically generate 3 wallets for you on your chosen network. This allows SparkBot to carry out buy and sell limit orders, trades and other automated transactions on your behalf using these wallets. These wallets are exportable and you have full control of the keys. This will be covered in a later video. Next up is limit orders. This is definitely one of the most, if not the most exciting features of SparkBot. With limit orders you can set buy or sell limit order and have complete peace of mind knowing your transaction will only be executed once a set price is reached. No more watching charts and/or using multiple tools to get the job done. The next button is your cashing out button, appropriately named Liquidate Portfolio. This button will allow you to liquidate your entire portfolio to the blockchain's native token from any of your 3 wallets. Next up we have wallet settings. This is where you can either export your wallets to extensions such as MetaMask or import existing wallets into SparkBot. Everyone that uses SparkBot has the ability to earn a passive income off the proceeds of transactions that take place with SparkBot, as it charges a 1% fee on every transaction. This is where the referral code comes into play. Share your referral link with others on social media or online groups, and for every transaction conducted going forward with your referral link, you will get 0.2% of the fee applied to every trade performed by users joining the bot for the first time through your link. The next button is tutorials, which of course, will bring you back here for more how-to videos. Finally, the import referral code button allows you to add a referral code if you joined the bot without the referral link but would still like to compensate the person that referred you. Examples of this would be word of mouth. By now you can see how powerful the SparkBot is and the features it offers. Volt Inu is constantly developing tools and technologies to make crypto a friendly experience, and with SparkBot you can now perform all your DeFi activities right from within the bot. Don't forget to check out the how-to videos for SparkBot.